Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to short a stock on eToro. So find the stock. Okay, so open up your eToro app or website and log in. Now here in the search bar at the top, we can find the stock we want to trade. So in eToro app, you can click on Discover magnifying glass at the bottom. Alright, so I will select now here, let's say an oil, like so. And at the top right corner, we will see big trade button, green trade button. So if we click on that, we will see now what we can do here. So here at the top, you will see short and buy. So let's say short. So this means that we will open a new position. So let's say I will put 100 to this. So when we put the number in, we can adjust here also the stop loss. So here we can put $5 for example and set. Then we take profit when we want to take it. So let's say 15, like so. What we can do then is just press here short and we will open a new short position. And yeah, this is pretty much everything that you can do and short a stock. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.